Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Precious Ebule, the managing attorney of Apex Chambers. Apex Chambers is a property and real estate as well as business law firm with office in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. And gladly, Apex Chambers is the winner of the 2024-2025 African Prestige Awards as the best real estate law firm. Now, it is time for me to share a legal tip with you, and this is relating to the acquisition of property, that's buying of property, that's house or land. When you want to buy a property, that's a land or a building, we advise that you get an experienced property lawyer by yourself. Yes, by your own self. Don't allow your representative or your land or building vendor, that seller, to get a property lawyer for you. Remember that their allegiance may not be to you who is paying. It is risky to have as your own property lawyer the lawyer engaged by your vendor or your land or building agent, so that you don't end up with conflict of interest on the part of the lawyer. Now, bear in mind that one of the things the property lawyer will do for you is due diligence investigations to be sure that the transaction is genuine, to be sure that the claims made by the vendor and his representatives are actually true, and to also be sure that there are no government acquisition interests or other designation for purpose or particular use for that particular land. Now, is it not ironic where you engage a lawyer to investigate the claims made by the vendor or the agent, and that lawyer was introduced to you by those other persons? There will indeed be conflict of interest, because the allegiance of this lawyer will be to the persons who brought him in, who gave him the job. So it is always advisable for you to search by yourself and secure for yourself a very experienced property and real estate lawyer when you want to buy a land or a house in Nigeria. It is very easy to spot out a very experienced property and business as well as real estate lawyers in Nigeria. And one of the things you should be looking out for is the years of practice in that particular field. You should also be looking out for the comments, the testimonials made by other persons regarding that lawyer. So, very importantly, always ensure that you don't rely on the property lawyer brought for you by your land or house seller or his or her representatives or agents. Do the job of searching for one by yourself and secure one that only you can trust, and his allegiance will be to you and your property and financial interests. Thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your day.